Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Joy Riders TV Productions, and today we're going to be colorizing eyelashes in Photoshop. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is open up our image in Photoshop. What I like to always do is Control J, and that duplicates my background image, and that way we don't mess up the original file. Okay. Next step we're going to be doing is we will take an adjustment layer. We're going to take the blacks and bring up the blacks inside that adjustment layer. So go down to adjustment, selective color, and then go up to the colors that you're going to be working on, and we're actually going to be working on the blacks. And what we're going to try to do is darken the eyelashes. As you can see here, that these eyelashes up top are a lot darker than the bottom, so we'll kind of even those out. So kind of brighten up the black, and you can see it starting to work, but it's working overload up top, and that's fine. What we'll do is, you already see that you have a mask right here. We'll go up to our brush tool. Come down, make sure that your foreground color is black. And now using this mask, actually you have to bring up your brush a little bit using the brackets on your keyboard. Bring up your brush tool, so about this size. What is that, 100? Make sure you're clicked on your mask and your selective color adjustment layer. And now we're just going to take out all the black that's in the image that we don't want. So it's pretty much everything but the bottom eyelashes. The next thing you want to do is add an adjustment layer, and what we're going to be doing is selective coloring. So we're going to take up the blacks in the entire photo. So go down, click on adjustment layer, selective color. Make sure that your color selection is black. What we're doing is bringing up all the black in the photo. So you can pretty much see that all the black in the photo is just around the eyelashes, which is great. The one problem is that it's too black around the upper eyelashes. So what we'll do is go over to our brush tool, make sure that our color is black for the mask. And now we'll just take away all the black around the top eyelash. There's a little bit of black in the eyebrow, so we'll take that out as well. So now we're taking out the black of the upper eyelash and leaving it in at the bottom. And that is pretty much it. Last thing you want to do is go up to File, click Save As, and save a new document. I'm Jimmy Lick from Joy Riders TV Productions, and we just learned how to colorize eyelashes.